Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this gorgeous outdoor console table. I needed something that looked pretty from above, and this fits the bill, so let's take some looks.
Okay, I am in love with this table. So it's weatherproof, 48 inches tall. I love that you have two shelves. It is multifunctional. So you could use this as a buffet table if you're having a party. You could use this for behind a couch like I'm showing you here. You could even use this as a plant stand. It's perfect because this thing is so sturdy. It is not going to mildew, UV resistant, and very, very durable. Even the screws are durable. They're stainless steel, so these are going to last forever. This thing is so sturdy and it's made of this poly lumber, so you have to do nothing to keep this looking great. This is so pretty. You could also use this indoors and it would be just such a great addition to an entryway. This comes in different colors, so you're going to want to check that out as well. It looks like real wood, and I love just the sleek and simple design. It's really perfect for any location. This thing is robust and it is made out of this HIPS material. And so even with intense sunlight, intense rain and snow, which we get all of those here, it is going to stay looking perfect. Here it is behind my couch outside. I love this. In fact, I think I'm going to buy another one for behind my other couch because they just look so great and I love the pop of color. Definitely check this one out. Installation is a snap. It's just 8 screws with the included Allen wrench. You're going to love it.